Ever struggled with feeling confident in school? It's a common experience, but the good news is, there are ways to turn it around. Welcome to our exploration of the top 10 habits that can boost your confidence and set you up for success in your academic journey. Habit 1. Early to bed, early to rise. This well-known adage holds true. Regular sleep patterns lead to better focus, improved mood, and overall better health. Make a habit of going to bed at a reasonable hour and rising early to start your day fresh. Habit 2. Regular exercise. Physical activity is not just good for the body, it's incredible for the mind too. A quick jog, a yoga session, or just some stretching can help reduce stress and increase your overall sense of well-being. Habit 3. Positive affirmations. Speak kindly to yourself. Start each day by saying something positive about yourself. This simple routine can help shift your mindset and improve your self-image over time. Habit 4. Set achievable goals. Having clear, measurable, and attainable goals gives you a sense of direction and purpose. Remember to celebrate each small victory along the way. Habit 5. Practice mindfulness. Whether it's through meditation, deep breathing, or simply being present in the moment, mindfulness can help reduce anxiety and improve focus. Habit 6. Eat nutritious food. Your brain needs fuel to function well. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains into your daily diet. Habit 7. Keep a gratitude journal. Writing down what you're grateful for each day can help foster a positive mindset and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Habit 8. Engage in social activities. Join clubs or participate in group activities. This helps build your social skills, and it's a great way to make new friends. Habit 9. Seek help when needed. It's okay not to be okay. Don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted adult or counselor if you're feeling overwhelmed. Habit 10. Cultivate a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to grow and learn. Understand that failure is not a setback, but a stepping stone towards success. To summarize, boosting your confidence in school involves nurturing your physical health, practicing positive self-talk, setting achievable goals, practicing mindfulness, eating healthily, expressing gratitude, engaging in social activities, seeking help when needed, and fostering a growth mindset. These habits, when practiced consistently, can help you build self-assurance and excel both academically and socially. Remember, confidence comes from within, and it's a journey, not a destination. So, start today and see the difference these habits can make in your school life.